not going to be performing poetry exactly, but it's more of a prose because fuck rules. Yeah, so this is a piece called Fire, and here's how it goes. Fire. Fire personifies the human race, mindless, all-consuming, self-harming, hurting, outrageous, uncontrollable when unrestrained. Yet, all this becomes opposite when it is restrained. Gentle, warm, safe, life-giving, a household. This is what fire does. It represents the will of the human soul to ask for more and more, never to be satisfied, and only ever growing. It represents the fiery motivation of our minds to advance, to break barriers and improve our world. It represents our anger, uncontrolled, and destroying everything in its path. It represents our will, never to be extinguished, burning bright and giving us the will to live. It represents our hot blood, that which always asks for war, violence, and which will never rest without it. It represents our fragile lives, warm, like the quick beat of a hummingbird's heart when you had it in your hands and extinguished in one move. But do not forget about the fire within us. It will burn for a long time, but when unleashed, there will be no force that can stop it. We must make an attempt to suppress, to put it on a leash for fear of extinction. It is our tendency to go and do what we are not told to go and poke the sleeping bear. We place our hand in the fire, knowing it burns. Yet for all its faults, this fire is a beautiful thing. It moves tantalizingly, hypnotically, seductively. This may be probably the most destructive force we may ever know, but it will build everything we stand for.